Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A3 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, open your phone dialer, then enroll keypad, and let's start with the codes. The first one is *pound 06 pound, so pretty short code, and this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your device. Click on OK to exit, and another code will show you all upcoming events. The code is *pound 225 pound *. And here you've got the calendar info, so as I told you, all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your device would be displayed right here. Let me go back, and the last code that I want to show you today is *pound 426 pound*. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, just select more icon and mark advanced view. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.